Chronostratigraphy. In this course, a chronostratigraphic reconstruction of lacustrine deposits located in Spain has been carried out, see Chapter 3. For this reason, it is useful to recall some chronostratigraphic concepts. Recently, the definitions of chronostratigraphy and geochronology have been deeply revised. The realignment of the two terms has been proposed, contemporaneously solving the problem if the geological time scale must have single or double time units. This discussion must be carried out based on the use of the geological time scale, GTS, reported in the International Stratigraphic Chart of the International Commission of Stratigraphy and its units. It must be taken into account that the last version of the International Stratigraphic Chart has been published in 2018. The most used units are represented by the geological periods of the geochronology, Triassic, Jurassic, for instance, and the chronostratigraphic systems on which they are based. These systems are composed of series and stages, while the periods, epochs, and stages are referred to time intervals during which the deposition of strata occurred. Therefore, there is a double hierarchy of chronostratigraphic units, time/rocks, which have been used to indicate rocky strata contemporaneously deposited in time intervals, geochronologic, used to indicate intervals during which geological processes occurred, including the evolution, the extinction, the deformation, and the transgression/regression, for instance. In the meaning of this paper, the geochronology indicates the timing and the age of main geological events of the Earth's history, such as glaciations or a mass extinction. Moreover, it refers to the methods of numerical dating. On the other side, the definition of chronostratigraphy is quite different. It includes the whole range of the stratigraphic disciplines, such as the magnetostratigraphy, the chemostratigraphy, the sequence stratigraphy, the cyclostratigraphy, and the radiometric dating. The main aims of the chronostratigraphy include both the establishment of the time relations of regional successions and the definition of a GSSB, global boundary stratotype section and point. In the realignment proposed by Zalasiewicz et al., the chronostratigraphic, time/rock, and geochronologic, time, units have been, respectively, defined as it follows: Eonothum, Phanerozoic, for instance; 2. Erathum, Mesozoic, for instance; 3. System, Cretaceous, for instance; 4. Series, Upper Cretaceous, for instance; v. Stage, Cenomanian, for instance; vi. Eon, Phanerozoic, for instance; 7. Era, Mesozoic, for instance; 8. Period, Cretaceous, for instance; 9. Epoch, Late Cretaceous, for instance; and x. Age, Cenomanian, for instance. The proposed method is to use the chronostratigraphic units in reference to layered rocks and to use the geochronologic units in reference to time and phenomena associated to the rocks.